Hi friends, in this video we will learn more about the script mode and execute our very first Python script. Script mode is the most preferred mode of code execution as you can write reusable and shareable codes. Launch the idle application via Start menu. Once the Python interpreter pops up on the screen, click on the File menu and click on New File to create a new untitled file. Now, let us write a simple code which adds two numbers and displays the result like we did in the previous video. Now, let us run this script by clicking on Run and Run module. As it is an untitled file, Python prompts you to save the file. Navigate to the folder and type in a file name. In our case, we will name the file as example.py and click on the Save button. Now you can see that the file name gets displayed on the window bar. Once again, go ahead and execute the code using Run module. Though the code has been executed, no output is displayed on the console or the standard output. This is because all outputs have to be explicitly specified when running a code in the script mode. This can be done using the print function, which is used in the Python scripts to display the output. Let us quickly add the print function in the above code and execute it. You can now see the value of a, which is 4, is displayed on the console. Congratulations, you just wrote your first Python script. You are now ready to dive deeper into the world of Python.